Trading is not always going to be successful. It's not always going to be fun. PERMA Plus represents the positive qualities of life that give us energy and help us function at our best. Martin Seligman did this research. Positive emotional experience, doing things that are fun, engagement with others, relationships, engagement in meaningful activities, accomplishments, things that we feel good about that we're doing. And the plus is our physical well-being and our health. We're doing things that give us energy. Forget about trading. Take a look at the rest of your life. How much positive emotion are you experiencing? How much engagement in meaningful things are you engaging in? What's the quality of your relationships? The quality of your sleep, the quality of your physical well-being, your exercise. Many, many, many people, when they start trading, they're so focused on trading and looking at markets and reviewing markets. It's all good, but they're neglecting these PERMA categories. And so when trading doesn't go well, which happens to all of us, what do they have to draw upon? They don't have the energy from the other parts of their life. You need your life overall to be giving you the energy, the enthusiasm to energize you, to drive you, because when we are in a state of well-being, as it's called, we actually work more productively, and according to the research of Barbara Fredrickson, we see more of the world. We actually perceive more opportunity when we are in a positive mindset. So by working on the rest of our lives, we are actually energizing our generation of ideas, and we energize our trading. Look at those cats. Those are 3 of my 4 cats. The one on the left is a rare cat from Thailand called a Khao Mani. The one in the middle is a Chocolate Point Siamese. And the other one's a black tabby who we rescued. The question is, how diversified is your life? These little guys not only sleep together, they end up sleeping in our bed, and they end up being a part of our lives. They end up being companions. And that gives a source of joy, that gives a source of meaning and commitment separate from work, separate from trading. So you look at your calendar. How are you spending your time? How diversified is your life? What are you doing in terms of relationships, in terms of physical activity, in terms of fun activities? One of the money managers I work with had a saying: if it's not in your calendar, it's not part of your process. He would ask a trader about their trading process. Well, in the morning, I talk to people and I research ideas, and then in the afternoon, show me your calendar. Of course, none of it's in there. If it's not in your calendar, you are not making it a commitment with your time. You want your calendar to diversify your life and to be a guide in giving your life balance. So let's sum up. Trading process as an expression of our strengths, what we do well, what we're good at. PERMA trading, our states determine what we process, what state of mind are we in when we're trading and making decisions. The importance of cognitive strengths, creativity, focus, intuition, multitasking. The importance of interpersonal strengths, teamwork, learning from others, learning with others. And the importance of positive trading reviews. Reviewing what you do at your best. Again, the idea here is that sometimes, not always, not often enough, sometimes we do things greatly, and we want to study ourselves when we make great decisions, when we take great actions. We want to study what makes us successful. When we trade the right way in how we generate ideas, translate ideas into trades, when we size positions correctly, when we update our risk reward, and we're flexible in our trading, we take some off, we move our stops, when we diversify our trading so that we're balanced in our risk taking, our trading contributes to our psychology. Everyone thinks with trading psychology that our psychology shapes our trading. Good trading creates good psychology. When we trade